Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my weekly meal prep, and this week I'm going to add in snack boxes to see if that actually helps me get a little bit more of a healthier snack in.
Okay, so the first thing before I do any meal prep is to thaw out everything I'm going to be cooking. In this video, I'm thawing out chicken, corn that we froze from over the summer, and zucchini. Okay, so the first thing I'm making is roasted spiced almonds. I'm just going to melt the coconut oil in the pan, and I'm going to mix it all in and just melt the coconut oil in the oven. Once the coconut oil is melted, I just add cinnamon, a little bit of sea salt, and some stevia. The instructions will be down below with the recipe. The next thing I'm going to work on is chocolate zucchini muffins. I've already made this recipe on here, so I'm just going to link that video down below or somewhere on the screen. Okay, so this is going to be the chicken. This has already been pre-cut and somewhat thawed out. It wasn't all the way thawed, which I hoped it would be, and I actually thought it would be, so I had to go through and kind of rip apart some of the pieces. But it worked the same either way. And after I did this, I just added some coconut oil, sea salt, and black pepper. And I do it that way. That way, depending on what I want to eat with it, I don't have to worry about seasoning taking over whatever else. And if I do make tacos out of it, I will add taco seasoning to it. And if you want to see a video of what I can do out of baked chicken, totally let me know and I will do one of those videos. Okay, the next thing I'm doing is just cutting up an onion, and I already had some bell pepper pre-cut and frozen from this summer, so I just used it instead of getting a fresh one and cutting it up. But these are going to be the vegetables that I eat with my chicken. Okay, so the chocolate zucchini muffins are done at this point, so I'm just going to get them out of the oven before I start cooking my vegetables. And in order to cook the vegetables, all I do is add a little bit of coconut oil to a pan and let that melt, and then I add the vegetables. Okay, so this is just me putting away the leftovers from lunch and the chicken and the vegetables into separate containers for meals throughout this week. I also made fried corn, but I do not know what happened to that footage, but I will link that recipe somewhere in this video or down below. Okay, so for snack boxes, all I'm doing is taking 2 packs of peanut M&Ms. And these are the fun size packs, and that's why I'm using 2. Just enough to give me a little bit of sweet. And then I'm going to add the roasted almonds on top of it. And those are my snack boxes for this week. And I actually ate more of the almonds without the M&Ms than I did. If I do this again, I won't add the M&Ms. But they were still good.